on the Enchanted Forest walk through Cradle Mountain National Park. Lots of foam in the river, working its way down towards the actual waterfall, Pencil Pine waterfall, on the other side. So the sun's coming out now. Earlier wasn't like that. Bit of snow, bit of rain, bit of sleet, bit of wind, bit of cold mist, bit misty. So it's Pencil Pine Cascades leading down to Pencil Pine Falls. This section is the Enchanted Forest, and yeah, it is quite enchanted, quite mystical and surreal, really. You wonder why some of these trees are bent over and why some of them form a bridge across the actual river. Not sure of the reasons, but I'm being enchanted by the Enchanted Forest in Cradle Mountain National Park here. Surrounded by nature, not surrounded by people. Not much wildlife about, it's daytime. Most of these are night ones, like your Tasmanian devils and the wallabies. Seen 2 wallabies, but they're normally out at night. The Enchanted Forest.